Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, guys. It's a great time to be live. So we're seeing all the markets going uppity up. As I told you with yesterday's video, I did say that, we're going to get a reversal. Often Thursdays is a reversal day. We did see that a whole bunch of shorts were forming on the 24-hour time frame. So that's pretty good. So it looks like a lot of leverage traders are betting that a BT is going down. They're wrong. They're out of there as usual, guys. So this is a great time to be alive. We got lots to talk about. We got some Dogecoin news. We got some Bitcoin news. More and more evidence that the bull run has not even begun yet. June, it's going to be absolutely insane in the membrane. We're going to see coins pop off like crazy. We're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin. We're going to see, $6,000 to $10,000 Ethereum. We could be seeing all-time highs for a Dogecoin coming in, guys. So keep the faith. Keep the faith. There's a lot of FUD out there right now. A lot of people are spreading a lot of FUD. They're thinking it's going to be the end, and that's because the whales are accumulating. The whales, they want to buy Bitcoin. They want to buy crypto cheap right now, and that is because they are spreading the FUD to make you wet the bed and drop your coins and drop your sats, guys. So what you got to keep doing, guys, is don't panic in the house. Remember, all you got to do is, if you don't have any cash on the sidelines, just have diamond hands, guys, and wait for life-changing wealth. Woo! So guys and gals, get ready to jump into it. If you love the OG like I love the OG, go down there, smash the likes, boom the likes, show some love in-house, absolutely show some love. And don't forget, none of this is financial advice, just the OG in-house coming to you live from Da Nang. Guys, let's get it right now. Woo!
Woo! So let's jump into the content without any further delay, guys and gals. Let's get it, guys. And let's not worry about what's happening, because we're seeing that today is pretty much a green day. And, as I said in the intro, we've got some huge news for Bitcoin. We've got some huge news for the Doge Washer. So, we got some TA analysts saying that, with the completion of the Twitter buy by Elon Musk in the house, we could be seeing some explosive price action for Dogecoin. So we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to jump into that. But right now, the pre-markets are looking pretty good right now. We're seeing the Dow is up. The S&P is up almost 1.44%. So that's huge. That's absolutely huge pre-market action happening. And we're seeing that the Doge futures, then Doge futures, the NASDAQ futures. I got Doge on the brain. Doge's got Doge on the brain. We're seeing the NASDAQ futures are up over 2%. So definitely we're going to be seeing that the NASI and all the broader markets are going to be going up like crazy, guys and gals. So right now we're seeing that, we've got this initial jobless claim that's coming out at 8:30 a.m. This morning, Eastern Standard Time. So get ready for that, guys. And I think it's going to be pretty positive. As I said earlier in my previous videos, the fear and greed is still at extreme fear, guys. I'm so fearful. Buy the fear, guys. Buy the fear. And, I did DCA today, about a couple hours ago. Just after the last video, I did buy a whole ton of Phantom out there. I also did buy one Bitcoin today as well, and I bought 3 Ethereum, a little bit of ADA, a little bit of Avalanche, a little bit of Dotty Watt, and I did buy some Luna Tuna now. So I did my DCA trick today, so that's looking pretty good. And if we take a look at BTC right now, we're seeing BTC is at 39,714 on the heat map, guys, and we're seeing that's about plus about 1.72%. So I believe that I am going to see that the Bitcoin price and all the crypto markets are going to go uppity up once the New York markets open. And that should be open in about 2.5 hours, 3 hours from now at time of recording, guys. So remember, when I record these videos and release, there's a little bit of a delay, so don't beat me up if the prices change, guys. So overall, things are looking pretty good in the house, guys. So we can see right now that the number of whale addresses have been increasing even since the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. And, we're seeing that the number of addresses holding between 10 to 1,000 Bitcoin have just really gone up, guys. So that is really huge. So we're seeing a huge accumulation phase. Even though Bitcoin has been going up and down, there's been some turbulence, and it's off from its $45,000 high that we had in 2022. We're still seeing that there's still a lot of accumulation going on out there. So that's pretty good news, And right now, there are about 1,629 shark and whale addresses. So a shark is someone that has 10 Bitcoin, and a whale is someone that's having over 100K Bitcoin in the house, guys. So that is cool news in the house. And we're seeing that the number of addresses with a balance of greater than 1K Bitcoin has just been going uppity up. So you can see, even though the price of Bitcoin has been going down, you can see that the number of whale addresses have just been going uppity up. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. Also, you're seeing that, right now, BTC whales holdings are now the highest since September of last year. So the whales are still accumulating, guys. So the smart money is still buying. Even though we're in extreme fear, the smart money is still accumulating, and that is what we all should be doing. This is a huge time to be accumulating the bitty, a huge time to be accumulating the layer 1 and layer 2s out there, and a huge time to be accumulating the Doji Woji, guys. So this is huge news in the house, guys. So you can see from Will Clemente in the house that the whales are still accumulating this whole green line here. So we had this whole accumulation. So we've come off all the way down here, and now they're starting to accumulate it. And you can see that this is a whole accumulation, and then we had this big pump to the top side, and then we had the downward, where they started selling. So we're seeing a huge accumulation, and they're not stopping, guys. And this just gives me more and more evidence that we're going to be seeing a huge explosion in June, guys. So we can see the number of illiquid Bitcoin is still going up. We have almost 14.5 BTC are classified as illiquid out there, and that means that leaving only 4.2 million on exchanges, guys. So 14.5 million Bitcoin is now classified as illiquid, and they haven't moved for more than 1 year. So that is cool beans in the house. So all of this on-chain data, was it telling me that Bitcoin is going to be going up, guys? Senators in Mexico can now exchange Bitcoin. So it looks like the Senate building in Mexico now has installed its 14th Bitcoin ATM. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty bullish. Breaking news: British bank Revolut is working on its decentralized wallet. So that will allow people to do Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals, staking, and lending. So right now, I have a Revolut bank account in the UK right now. And I can buy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto with it, but I actually don't have a wallet, so I can't send it off. If I want to basically get rid of my Bitcoin on Revolut, I have to sell it to fiat and then deposit in my bank account, then transfer the fiat, guys. So that's what's happening. But, with this breaking news, if Revolut does have a decentralized wallet, what's going to happen is going to allow you to actually have the native tokens in your bank account and be able to send and receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So, it's going to be really good because I can actually send Bitcoin from, my hardware wallet to my Revolut account and hold it, and I can actually sell it, and, I can top up my fiat currency, because, at the end of the day, you still got to pay for your water, electricity, and other things using fiat, guys. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. So it looks like, Bitcoin-backed mortgage also removes the need to cash out and incur tax liability. So that is pretty good. So now there's a new mortgage product that allows Bitcoin holders to use their BTC as security for loans. So that's pretty good because, if you do cash out your Bitcoin and you do make profit, you have to pay tax on that. So by allowing you to basically use Bitcoin as security, you do not have to cash out, and you don't have to incur that additional taxes, guys. So this is just coming in. So it looks like Durbit has now listed Solana. So that is going to be pretty huge for the Solana holders out there. So that should help take Solana higher and higher. So that is cool news in the house. This coming in for Bitcoin, this coming in for Dogecoin right now. It looks like Elon Musk Twitter takeover will fuel a major rally for one altcoin, says top crypto trader. And as you guys can see, this top altcoin is going to be the Doge Warrior, guys. So Elon Musk, staunch Dogecoin fan, and we all know that Elon Musk loves the Dogecoin, and he's been a huge fan since December 2021. Said that the Doge team crypto asset was a better currency than anything else he's ever come across. That's what Elon Musk said. Doge, I'm expecting a sustained Dogecoin rally for a bit. In my opinion, the Dogecoin usually goes strong when retail starts to pile in, and that's pretty true. You'll see that once retail starts to pile into Dogecoin, you often see the prices FOMO because prices go up because people FOMO in like crazy, guys. So that's pretty good, and we can see that. As Elon Musk is buying Twitter, remember it's still is. It's confirmed, but it's not done deal yet. So I think that once we have the done deal, Twitter is going to create so many opportunities for Dogecoin. We can have the Dogecoin Tip Jar that's been confirmed, but it hasn't been enabled yet. This is just going to allow Dogecoin to go up. Sure, we could expect some chop going up and accumulation from now, and that's what we're seeing. We're seeing more accumulation and some chop. Stuff going up and down, guys. So that's pretty with some pretty normal. And we're going to see some crazy Elon Musk spikes in between now and then. And I believe that we're going to see Bitcoin and Dogecoin absolutely rise to the top of the moon in June, guys. So this is huge. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin just been going sideways most of the day. And it's just slightly below 14 cents in the house. It's trading at $13.96. So we're still waiting for the next catalyst, which is going to be the absolute confirmation of Twitter accepting Doge as a tip. And, if we get that Doge tip jar going, that's going to be huge, guys. Absolutely going to be huge in the house, guys. And once that's enabled on Twitter, we're going to see a spikety spike like crazy, guys. So if we take a look at the into the block for Dogecoin right now. We're seeing 58% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, 37% are out, and we're seeing that Dogecoin is mainly bullish, and that's pretty cool, guys, because we haven't seen Dogecoin in this bullish area for a very long time. So this just gives me more beautiful love for the Doge, guys, and I love the Doge and Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Let's get it. And right now we're seeing that the total leverage apes. Let me just give this a minty refresh. So guys, don't forget to go and boop the like, smash the likes, subscribe. Don't forget to get super chats, show some love in the house, guys. And don't forget to also remember that I'm working for you, and this is all about you guys. I love the community, and don't forget to give super chats and show some love in the house right now. So right now we're seeing that the leverage traders are kind of gone to sleep. Only about 122.62 million have been wrecked. About 34,000 traders. So they've kind of come down a little bit. Where are the leverage traders, guys? It's getting scary. But we're seeing right now in the last 24 hours, we're seeing that right now the majority is shorts, and we're seeing in the last 12 hours also majority shorts. Also in the last 4 hours, majority is also shorts, and in the last hour also long. So this is pretty scary, because we're going to see these 4-hour shorts build up to 24 hours and then followed by short longs coming up. So we could see the price of Bitcoin dropping in the next 24 hours. So we could see maybe Saturday or Sunday we could actually see the Bitcoin price dropping from where it is now. But between now and then, expect the Bitcoin price to do some climbage and going to the upside. So that is pretty good news in the house, guys. So this just coming in for Shiba Inu. It looks like 170 billion Shiba has just been bought by another whale in the house. So whale stats have just said that on April 27th, we had about $2.3 million worth of Shiba Inu being bought from the ETH Blue Whale, guys. So Blue Whale 0073 has just bought a whole ton of Shiba Inu in house. So that is pretty cool, and this is really good for Shiba Inu. So if you take a look at the price of Shiba Inu right now, it's at 23, and it's just been going sideways. Nothing really happening right there. If you take a look at the price of Bitcoin right now, so Bitcoin is making some really good moves to the upside right now, and we have broken out of my apex, guys. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. So you can see that we have our descending triangle right here on the 4-hour time frame, and that has been pretty good. And we've been breaking down, and now we've broken out of the apex, and I think we should get ourselves back up to about $45,000, because the last time we were at last time we were here at this area here was around about where we hit a high of 47,000, and that was on April 5th. So I think we're going to return to these highs right now, and right now that area around about 47,600 is a bit of a resistance zone right now. So I'm going to create a bit of a resistance line there so we can keep that in mind for next time. But definitely going to see that Bitcoin is going to get up there. And if we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, and we're seeing a green spinning a doji candle, so that means that the market is quite undetermined right now as if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. But I'm pretty sure that I am betting that we're going to go up, because we see that the pre-markets are looking pretty good right now, pretty strong in house. So I believe that this doji candle is going to be green, and we should be going up, and we should be break past $40,000 sometime just after the bell rings in New York. So that's pretty good. For the price of Ethereum right now, Ethereum is still below 3,000, but it's also picking up right now, and it's at 29.28. And then my Phantom in the house is above $1, guys. So it is being supported at $1, and I did buy a whole bunch of Phantom at 98 cents today. So I'm in a tinsy-wincy bit of a profit, so that's pretty good. And Solana is also just let's call that $100, guys. So Solana is at $100 support line, so that's pretty good in the house. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. Total market cap is 1.87 trillion, and we're seeing the volume is 57.12 billion. The Bitcoin dominance is going up. We don't want to see that, but overall the markets are coming back, guys. The market's absolutely coming back. We're seeing that Bitcoin is just shy of 40,000, it's up 1.6%. We're seeing Ethereum just shy of $3,000, and that's up 1.1% as well. We're seeing BNB is above $400. Thank goodness for that, up at 2.74%. We're seeing Solana is above $100 right now, and we're seeing Luna, the tuna in the house, is above above $92, and it's up 3% in the house. And we're seeing ADA is coming back as well. But ADA, I also picked up some ADA today at just about 84 cents in the house, so that is pretty good. Doge, let's go. Doge is at 1.31%, but things are looking pretty bullish for the Doge. Things are looking pretty good, and with with this tip jar that's going to be coming and confirmed with Tesla accepting Doge for payment, we're going to see Dogecoin shine like crazy. And don't forget, guys, summer is going to be the huge crypto time, and it's just going to be a lot of love out there because you guys are going to be feeling so happy when crypto goes to the moon. So like I say, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. We got 4,366 followers. Don't forget to go boop the likes, boop those likes, and subscribe. And don't forget to give super chat, show some love. Don't forget to check out all the links at the bottom of the video, guys. Check the links, buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, and don't forget to check out the NFT collection at OpenSea.io. Digital Asian, guys, go get it, check it out. You're gonna love it. And don't forget to buy the merch, get the company cup, the mug of love, guys. Get the backpack, and get the baseball cap in the house, guys. So, guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and everyone. The markets are looking pretty good. Everything's looking pretty good right now. So hopefully this greeny green will continue. So I just want to say God bless each and everyone. This is Ric Flair of Crypto. Woo, in the house. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get it. I'll see you in the next one. Next couple hours, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it right now. Woo!